Let's quickly have a conversation about the UltimateTax PPR tax preparer software. And this is important, folks, because for the last 11 months, we have investigated 82 professional tax preparation and research tools, culminating in the review of hundreds of features, pricing tiers, databases, and customer support models. Whenever we needed clarifications or answers to specific thematics, we reached out to UltimateTax representatives. So this UltimateTax PPR software review is a part of a series that is a direct offshoot of our months-long initiative. So we have rated their software tools on 6 pivotal criteria. We have accuracy, timely updates, value for cost, ease of use, customer support, and availability of forms. Enjoy. Let's jump right into it, folks. So you can see on the screen here is today's agenda. I'll give you an overview. We'll have a conversation about convenience, productivity, support. We'll also talk about growth and pricing. It's important that when you think about UltimateTax PPR, you have to think about affordable and reliable pay-per-return professional tax software. Very important. And you're able to have to start your tax season the right way. By the way, I just want to mention this. You can also request business return software from UltimateTax. Not a problem, okay? And one thing you want to do here with the PPR software version is that you're able to save money on your professional tax software. You pay only what you need, okay? So each filed return is only $15 each. No need to overspend on your startup business if you conduct less than 30 returns per year. This is kind of cool for single member practices or oligo member practices. You can work anywhere, anytime. You can go mobile and set up your office from home or co-working space, not a problem. So you don't need to invest in an office right away. Very important. And one thing I also want to say here is that when we talk about the UltimateTax PPR tax software, you are speaking about real-time progress status on filed returns. You're able to offer electronic filing to your clients. You can ensure accuracy with smart diagnostics. You have English and Spanish forms available with interview style data entry. This is really good because you're able to diversify your clientele. And you have exceptional tax preparation software support, especially during the tax season. In the off season, not really that good, but during the tax season, they're really, really great. Okay. And one thing I also want to say here is that we actually looked at the quality of their technical support. Fantastic. They are also able to handle retroactive tax law changes properly. This is really good. Before we get into the actual nitty-gritty, please check out this short video. It actually walks you through our rigorous method when it comes to categorizing, listing, and reviewing tax preparer software tools on this show. Check this out. I want to talk to you now about ergonomics, folks. So when we think about ergonomics, we are thinking about user friendliness. How does UltimateTax PPR help you in terms of ergonomics? Well, first of all, you're able to work immediately without any confusion installation. No need to set up an office. Okay, this is very user friendly. You have it on your computer. You have the form, you have the software on your computer, on your PC, MacBook, or Chromebook. So the UltimateTax PPR is accessed with any web browser. No more annoying software updates. Okay, there's no need to worry about your device's compatibility. You can use your desktop, laptop, or even a 7-inch tablet. Think about that. And you have this is a cost-effective tax software if you are just starting your tax preparation practice. This is state compliant. You have a lot of states that are embedded in this software. We love the fact that they serve English and Spanish clients. This is really good. We love the fact that you're able to prepare returns really fast, accurately, and without compromise to quality. A lot of people think that when we speak about PPR software tools, that means that you're paying cheap. No, you're paying quality software at a good price. And the good thing is that the accuracy is also 100%. So you pay only what you need. Okay, that's the whole idea behind the PPR model, pay per return. So you basically pay only for what you need. You can pay $15 per return, or you can get high quality professional tax software packed with amazing features only for $199 per year, less than $200. Okay, all federal 1040 and schedules are available. On top of that, you only need to pay $15 per tax return filed. So you're paying $15 per tax return filed and $200 for the software. Actually, you're not downloading the software, you're just accessing it online. Okay, business forms are available when requested. If this depends on your niche, okay, if you really feel like you need to have a business returns, you can request it as well. One thing I want to say here is that if you are preparing more than 30 returns per year, consider getting UltimateTax 1040 online and other tax software products. You'll get the same features with more savings and incentives. Very important to think about that. Let's talk about convenience, folks. When we talk about convenience, we are focusing on user experience. How does this software, the UltimateTax PPR, help you in terms of user experience? Right off the bat, I want to say that the experience of using this software is satisfactory. As a whole, satisfactory. Okay, the software makes electronic tax preparation a lot faster and simpler. It assists you in determining the correct tax form and how to do them correctly. Okay, and in terms of platform availability, wonderful too, because this software is available, I've already said it, on a desktop. It is you can log into your account from any device. This is really good because everything is online. Okay, and so you can work anytime, anywhere, really, if you think about it. You can access your tax software as long as there is an internet connection. So you can easily pull up client data via web browsers during a meeting using your laptop or tablet. And what's great is that you can get up to 10 users for each Ultimate PPR purchased. 10 users, think about that, 10 users. So no need to purchase tax software on each individual device. You can save on costs such as network infrastructure and data security. You can easily add additional users too. And on top of that, you get real-time updates for your clients. This is really good. You have paperless filing. So equipped with e-file features, the UltimateTax PPR is actually a professional tax software tool that complies with the IRS paperless initiative. So you can file your clients' federal and state returns electronically for only $15 per return. Okay, and we love the fact that this software is compatible with e-signature. So you are basically bringing convenience to your clients through a remote sign-on customer's device or on a signature pad. So the constellation of benefits that I'm giving you here makes this software tool really convenient and really great when it comes to user experience. Okay, and you can also get exceptional customer support with a service that they call 365 service. Okay, so help is always available. You can call, chat, or email Ultimate Tax's amazing specialists for any concerns that you have relating to your tax software all year round. One thing I want to say here is that during tax season, they tend to be slower. So you just need to be aware of that. And if in the past you were getting someone on the call for after 5 minutes, during tax season, you want to think about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's talk about productivity, folks. We are still reviewing here the UltimateTax PPR, and we want to see how this software allows you to boost your productivity. We are focusing here on workflow gains. Very important. Workflow gains. I'll get it. So you're able to have free software data conversions. This is really cool, folks, because you're able to basically boost your productivity if you're able to have access to data conversions. If you have used a different tax software before, no problem. You don't have to worry about losing all those client data. You can save at least 6 to 8 hours more with free data conversions from your previous tax software to UltimateTax software. Okay, so software specialists are available to guide you step by step. So don't worry about, oh, I'm just leaving the Drake and I want to use the UltimateTax. Is that good for me? No. You have software specialists. They are there to help you, and you're able to also earn more with bank products. Thinking about productivity, so you not only are reducing the number of hours you spend on each return, but you are making more. Okay, you're making more with bank products, and we love the fact that this. And I will speak about this later on. But you can add a lot of forms. You have a prior year software. You can access the last 2 years of software, but that is an add-on. You have to pay for that. You have to pay extra $149. You can access W-2 and 1099. You can prepare W-2s, W-3s, and 1099s and 1098s for your current and new customer. Okay, and each return file is $5 per return. In this case, they also have a service called the UltimateTax Mobile, which is basically the mobile version of this online product, and this will cost you $199. So this allows your clients to start the return with your customized mobile application. So you're going to have a customized mobile application, so clients can upload the documents and tax interview directly to your UltimateTax Online. So you no need to call them up, and no need to actually exchange a plethora of emails. Okay, but this product, the UltimateTax Mobile, is not available for desktop. It's only available for tablets and for smartphones. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Security Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about the UltimateTax PPR, and I want to talk to you about the support. So you can contact sales. You can see on the screen here is the info if you want to contact sales, very possible. Or you can contact software support. So here you will have a specific advice, specific guidance related to the UltimateTax PPR. So you can see on the screen that you have a constellation of software services when it comes to UltimateTax. You have the Solution Center. You have My UltimateTax. My UltimateTax, this is your dashboard. This is where you log in. You see all your information. You can chat with the service expert. Okay, and again, this is the fastest route during tax season. You can also create a service ticket from your dashboard. So once you log in, you will see a module or a feature that says create a service tickets. Okay, you can also show my screen. For example, you can show your screen if you want a service representative to fix issues on your computer directly or remotely. You can call the service team. Again, this is a 1-800 number. This tends to be busy during tax season, so just be aware of that. You can email your service team, and they also have a blog. And one thing I want to say is that they also have other resources in terms of hot topics, what's going on in the industry, or rejection codes. Okay, and you can see on the screen here is the UltimateTax, the FAQ database that has all the questions possibly imaginable. You also have the Tax Preparer Center. Okay, this is here where you have all the info, the extra info that you need. We love the fact that this software also helps you in terms of CPE and CE credits. So this is really good. They also have a blog. So you have things that you can learn about the tax preparation business, what's going on in the industry, what are the latest regulatory developments, all that kind of good stuff. You also have a section called IRS information. So where you're able to get some information about the latest tax laws or pronouncements. Okay, so those are really important. They also have tax industry links. So they do have a lot of ways, a lot of conduits. You can reach out to them if you need help. Let's talk about growth, folks. How does Ultimate Tax help you grow your practice. We're speaking about sustainability, we're speaking about scalability, we talk seasonality, stability. But we want to focus on sustainability. How do you grow 5 years from now? How do you grow this year? How do you grow next year? How do you grow 5 years from now? How do you grow 10 years from now with this software? You can see on the screen that they do have a page that focused on bank products. So you're able to basically offer this to your clients and make extra cash, okay? And they do have partners. They do have bank partners that are working with Ultimate Tax to bring the solutions to you, the practitioner. So they have a TPG, Santa Barbara TPG. You have EPS Financial. You have Refund Advantage. And one thing I want to say here is that when we talk about TPG, the number is 1-800-779-7228. EPS Financial, 1-800-782-0850. We have Refund Advantage. That's 1-800-967-4934. Okay. And we also love the fact that in terms of growth, Ultimate Tax experts, they have published a great resource called The Ultimate Guide for New Tax Preparers. This is really great. This is really great. Now, especially if you are in that category, if you are a newbie and you're trying to boost you're trying to gain exposure, you're trying to increase your reliability, increase your client base, you definitely want to read this guide. And also when it comes to growing the business in general, Ultimate Tax gives you the tool in terms of add-on services, not just bank products, but also other services. In terms of analyzing current revenue trends, what's really going on in the industry, in your niche. Are you making money? Are you losing money? And also they help you market yourself. They give you all the tools that you need to market yourself. And this is something that you can do depending on the niche that you're in. But the bottom line is you get the info. And what you do with the info is totally up to you. But at the end of the day, you need to market yourself. You need to network. You need to use content marketing. You need to have a social presence. You need to have an online presence, whether it is on LinkedIn or whether it is on your own website. It's totally up to you. Let's focus now on pricing, folks. So I'm still talking to you about the UltimateTax PPR, and this is software you can buy. Very simply, you can buy the software. It's not really software, but because you access everything online, okay? You don't have to download anything onto your computer. Everything is accessed online. So for this service, you have a $199 per year. So this is an annual fee of $199, nearly $200, and then you have $15 per return fee. So this you need to do the math to see if this software is going to help you break even, make money, or lose money. This is a conversation you need to have with yourself, but I'm just giving you the price, okay? And it's really important to understand that you need to also pay attention to the fact that there are other products that Ultimate Tax in general has published, and the Ultimate Tax PPR could be great in conjunction with all those other products. So here is how the software stacks up against other Ultimate Tax products in terms of pricing. I want you to see right now on the screen, and here, whether you want to use the Ultimate Tax PPR, the Ultimate Tax Online 1040, the Desktop 1040, or the Desktop 1040 Plus Corporate. So it's totally up to you. At the end of the day, you really need to use service. You need to use the software that is in sync with what your clients are expecting, right? So it wouldn't make sense if you were to go for the Ultimate Tax PPR, for example, where your clients are looking for something more sophisticated software that allows you to do, for instance, complicated tax calculations, right? Deferred tax assets and tax liabilities. Hello, right? Or you want to work on, for example, oil and gas depletion, right? For example, but that's the bottom line. And before I move on to the next one, I just want to say also is that PPR as a business model, PPR, pay per return, is a great business model because you are limiting your ability to lose money. you are increasing your ability to actually break even. So those are really important. And one thing I also want to say here is that you have to constantly make sure that the products that you're buying, that the price that you're paying is totally in sync with your bottom line. So folks, after reviewing this software tool, who is this for? This is for a single member practice, an oligo member practice, a multi-member practice, and a small practice. This is definitely not for a mid-size, a regional, national, or international practices. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.